Hey guys, I just did a ECU swap on my car. I put a Megasquirt MS3 P&P Pro in and was relying on the plug and play functions and chasing my tail with some stuff. I also worked with a person on Instagram who was very helpful with all the information. His name was Supra Dawn. Follow him, like his stuff, give the guy some credit because he's really good. He really spent a lot of time with me, but like trying to figure this out. But back to the video. The issue I was having was the car would hit 3,000 RPMs under load, and then it would drop power and backfire or just be really shitty. And we're chasing our tails. Don and I are messaging back and forth. Sending him my tune, telling him how things are wired up in it, and we weren't getting necessarily anywhere. We got the car to idle and run really well, or fairly well anyway. I'm still working on tuning with that anyway. But I just Googled 2JZ GTE engine drops at 3K RPM and backfires, and the forum posts showed me the holy grail, or what I would consider something that was very helpful and useful to me. So this is your crank gear, and that is the trigger wheel that the the crank sensor down there, that little shiny little bugger, reads as the crankshaft is doing its RPMs. So presumably the engine was hitting higher RPMs, and then the cam gear itself, I'll show you a picture of it. I pressed it back together using my Redneck Shop press, or my vise here. This part split from the cam, or the crank. This trigger wheel split from the crank. Now, Powerhouse Racing sold one that was welded around here. The weld doesn't look too incredibly great, so I'm not worried about putting this out of balance. So I will be drawing some welds across this to make it so it will never break again. I do have to fix one of the teeth on it a little, just kind of clean it up a bit. And then my car should run like dynamite with all the mods I've done. So don't ever give up. Keep searching forums, talk to people, Instagram, whatever. If I would have paid a mechanic to do this, it's hard to say how long it would have taken them to find this out. Would they have Googled? I don't know. But when this is put back together, I'm assuming my car is going to run flawlessly, and it'll just need tune adjustments. So I hope you find this helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and pretty soon I'll be releasing a whole bunch of videos, because I've got a bunch saved up from doing my engine pull. I didn't do any videos on the engine pull, I don't think. I don't know. Just random things that I did while pulling this engine. So if you have any questions, put it in the comments. I can show you some stuff if you're interested in seeing certain aspects of my build. Please don't hesitate to ask, okay? So hit that like and subscribe button. See you in the future.